So if you can just start by telling me your name, your company, and the role within the company.
Yeah, sure. My name's Alex Woodward. I'm Marketing Manager at Natural Power.
And tell me a bit of background about Natural Power and what you do here.
Yeah, Natural Power is a renewable energy consultancy. We work with a number of developers, utilities in the industry, doing everything from wind, marine, biomass and solar projects.
And yesterday you announced a joint venture between Natural Power, RES and the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Porto in Portugal. Tell me a bit about that joint venture.
Certainly, yeah. The joint venture is an R&D programme over the next few years, and it's really focusing on computational fluid dynamics, CFD. So CFD is used for when you're developing a site onshore, and it's particularly complex. That might be from forestry or complex terrain, and you need a more accurate prediction on the site. And we've kicked off this R&D programme to develop a code which is already established called Ventos, and to take it really to the next generation to aid the wind engineering community.
So why specifically these three companies? Why have they come together?
Well, the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Porto, or FEUP, have got origins back to the 18th century for doing research and development for a number of industries, including the wind industry. So the original Ventos code came from the FEUP, so it's very important they're still involved. RES are obviously the world's big developer. They've developed and constructed over 5 gigawatts of projects, and Natural Power is a consultancy. We've developed and consulted 4 clients, and it really brings 3 companies together who have research, development experience and the consultancy approach which Natural Power provide.
And what will the R&D project focus on?
So over the last few years, Natural Power has worked on a number of client projects, and we've understood there are a few other challenges now which the industry face. So the programme is going to focus on a number of areas, including thermal effects on wind flow, wake effects, which have been talked about here at Ewea this week, and also on advanced forestry.
And what will this mean in general for the wind industry?
It allows wind engineers and the wind engineering community to better position turbines which can be more accommodating of the complex flows that they're seeing. That means better siting and better prediction of energy yield, which is really reducing risk in the industry.
That's great. Thanks, Alex.